The 2000 Ford Excursion. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 10-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, illuminated running boards, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, skid plates, a roof rack, and power windows. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, rear-mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.